Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyethemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngisacela kuwe-ke laphana ukuthi-ke uma usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole zonke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha engizokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ukuze zingakuphuzi lezi ndaba ongakwenza-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba engilethele lona namhlanje lithi-ke umongameli-ke we-DA laphana-ke uJohn Steenhuisen usethumele-ke incwadi-ke eshubile-ke laphana-ke eyithumela laphana-ke kowe-ANC na-ke laphana-ke uPresidenti-ke uCyril Ramaphosa. Le ncwadi-ke ngamafuphi-ke ifundeka kanje. Dear Ramaphosa, thank you for offering the DA the following cabinet post. 1. Home Affairs. 2. Basic Education. 3. Trade, Industry and Competition. 4. Public Works and Infrastructure. 5. Communications and Digital Technologies. 6. Forestry, Fisheries and Environment. And the following deputy ministries. 1. Finance with full cabinet committee rights. 2. Energy and Electricity. 3. Small Business Development. 4. One another to replace DTIC. But we also want 2 more cabinet posts from either 1. Sports, Arts and Culture. 2. Agriculture, Rural Development and Land Reform. 3. Public Service and Administration. Also, the DA deputy ministers must be similarly increased. Lena-ke buyincwadi-ke ibibhalwe-ke umongameli-ke we-DA ibhalela-ke laphana-ke uPresident Ramaphosa-ke laphana kwe-ANC ethi-ke lokhu-ke abakutholile-ke akwanele-ke, usafuna-ke okunye-ke ngaphezulu kwalokhu akutholile-ke laphana-ke kwi-GNU. Laphana masekucela laphana usungene ama-comment section-ke ufushe umbono wakho ngaloko lolu daba ukuthi ngicabanga kanjani-ke. Masecindezela nebhathini nje subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhishwe nesenti elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi ngilokulethele ezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke.